Hello everyone, welcome back to FixAge. Is your Windows 10 or 11 taskbar missing, unresponsive or not working properly? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you quick and effective fixes to get your taskbar back. So without further delay, let's dive in. First, we need to restart the Windows Explorer. For that, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Taskbar will open. Find the Windows Explorer in the list or in the search, type Windows Explorer. Here it is. Right click on that, click on Restart. This will refresh the desktop and usually brings back the taskbar instantly. After that, close the Task Manager. Next step, we need to check the taskbar settings. For that, right click anywhere on the desktop, select the option Personalize. In the Personalize window, come to the taskbar behavior. Click on that and make sure automatically hide the taskbar is turned off. It shouldn't be checked, should be unchecked. Taskbar may be hidden at the bottom. So make sure it will not checked. Then close this window. Next method, we need to re-register the taskbar via command prompt. For that, we need to open the command prompt with administrator. Go to search for command prompt. In the search results, right click on the command prompt and select the option Run as administrator. Just click on Yes. Command prompt window will open. Here we need to type SFC /scan now. Hit the enter. This will scan and repair the system files that may be causing the taskbar issue. So wait for a while, this scan should be completed. It takes some time to complete the system scan. After the scan completion, close the window. Next, we need to check the Windows updates. For that, go to Start, open the settings, left hand side, click on the Windows Update, click on Check for Updates. If any pending updates will download and update the Windows. Sometimes Microsoft releases the fixes for known taskbar issues so that whatever the taskbar issues you have, they will fix automatically once you do the Windows update. Wait for the updates to complete. Just close this window and restart. That's it. Your taskbar should now be back and working fine. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows fixes. Thank you for watching.